What's up everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and today I have another awesome unboxing for you guys from JH Wings and NG Models. I redeemed an amazing amount of airplanes with my points, so that's nice to be able to get that back, and most of the boxes I think they all have the exchange cards in them too, so I'll be able to even get even more points, but this is probably about, I don't know, probably 30 planes worth of cards, so the points add up. So big unboxing today, guys. Some planes I did purchase from JH Wings separately as well, so it's a mix of that. So let's go ahead, let's get right into the video. All right, everybody, starting off here, we have the batch of airplanes here from JH Wings. I did already open this because our first model of today is going to be the A350-900 from 400 or Aviation 400. I do have the one on the bottom here, TC-LGL. I do want the top version too for the 400th Aircraft Edition. Did purchase this one from JH Wings. Absolutely amazing packaging, and I do have this on my SFO layout. So anyways, go check out JH Wings, guys, for your model aircraft needs. Here's a nice close-up of that model here, guys. Try to get the lighting here. Super cool. Layover by layover layouts, tiny tug designs, guys. Jet set models too, and clipper models. We do have a terminal for SFO coming in the future, so stay tuned for that. That terminal will be made by clipper models. I may get a separate terminal for the meantime, just of this part of the airport. Then I'll just have two versions of it, but that's fine with me. Yeah, guys, super cool. We have a lot of models to get through here, so let's get to the next airplane. All right, guys, check this out. My first redeemable model here from NG Models here with the points-based system. Absolutely amazing here. Shout out to JH Wings. For the retailer, go check them out. Super cool. Again, this does not come inspected because this is sent directly wrapped from NG Models itself. So that's super cool, guys. Let's get this open and take a look. It's nice to have free airplanes, guys. Not free because you buy them, but you get the points cards though, so not many other retailers do that with the, or not retailers, not many companies do that with the points cards. So NG Models is definitely king right now. All right, guys, this model is sealed from the factory, like I said. Check it out. All right, guys, let's get this open. Oh yeah, we got another points card too, guys. Absolutely amazing. NG Models points cards here, guys, you can redeem here. Star Alliance ANA. This will obviously be flying to everywhere that these fly. I will be using this, especially at my Honolulu airport. Stay tuned, guys. We have a huge Honolulu airport in the works. 1:400 scale version of it. Ultra realistic. Guys, check that out. I don't know what you guys think, but I think I like all the model aircraft companies, guys. Don't get me wrong, absolutely amazing. But I think NG Models, guys, you cannot go wrong with an NG Models aircraft. Look at this, flawless. You know, this is just, you know what, guys, this is gonna go right on SFO. It's gonna go right on SFO. There we go. All right, we got our next free redemption here for the exchange program. We have the Hong Kong Express A320-200. Super cool. Let's go ahead and get it open. All right, everybody. Another redemption card for the win. Another redemption card, guys. That's two redemption cards so far. We have our Hong Kong Express A320. Wow, guys, look at the detail on that. I don't think I've never had an A320 from NG Models yet. I think I have a 737, but oh nope, quote me wrong. I do have a few Spirit ones, but I'm trying to build my Hong Kong airport, guys. I do have a full Hong Kong airport pretty much, so stay tuned for that. I just have to get some room to set it up. All right, guys, and here they are all together here, as you can see. Next up, we have the Avianca A320neo in the Aerogal livery. Super cool. I'm not sure what that means, but It's a really cool looking airplane. Let's get it open. Of course, with the free redemption, you also get obviously a brand new plane, so you get another redemption card. So I don't know, guys, from just this 8 planes, we already have like probably 4 or 5 nice redemptions of new free airplanes. So that's really cool. All right, guys, here we have the Aerogal A320neo. Look at all the details on this thing. Let me just set this down so I'm not shaking it. All right, check it out, guys. Avianca. I needed more Avianca in my fleet. I only had like 1 plane, so, and that's the A321neo we have at LAX right now. But yeah, super cool looking, guys. I'm glad I have this addition to my fleet. I need a lot of Avianca planes. I think I'm pretty much there on the Aeromexico planes. Just a lot of these South American carriers, I need like a lot more. And correction, South American, Central America, and Mexico carriers. Next up, we have Avianca Gracias A320. Not the Neo, just the A320 with the winglets. And of course, another redemption card. So yeah, we're gonna have a lot of more free airplanes to get. So that's pretty cool, like I said. Let's get this over. All right, guys, you already know. Here it is. I gotta get some of these NG model stands. I know JH Wings sells them. Link in bio, guys. The Gemini jet stands are great too, but the planes like to fall off the stands sometimes, or they don't go together quite well. So Gemini jets, if you're listening, your airplanes are amazing, but I think we need to try to make some different type of stands for the planes. Maybe ones where we can have them like taking off and landing. That would be super cool. And a little more sturdy too. Just because these planes are, you know, they're not cheap when you buy them. This one I actually did purchase from JH Wings, the Gracias and the Surf City version. Super cool, guys. And next up, finally, we have the Surf City A320. This thing is super cool looking. I had to have this. So I purchased this one and the Gracias version from JH Wings. Brand new engine models here, guys. This will be flying into my LAX and other airports that do serve Avianca. All right, guys. Surf City, El Salvador. Check it out. Super cool looking, guys. Love the paint scheme on the bottom. Let's get a closer shot for you guys. Want to try and get good shots here, guys. My little spinny wheel thing isn't working right now, so we're just gonna have to make do with what we got. Got the surfer on the back. That's super cool. Look at that, guys. Absolutely amazing. All right, guys, we have another free redemption through the NG Model Exchange program here. 767-400. I don't believe I got the one from Gemini Jets, but now we do have one from NG Models. Let's get this bad boy open, guys. Let's take a look. All right, everybody. We have NG Models take on the 767-400 here. This thing is clean looking, guys. Look at that. Excited to add this to my United fleet. This also did come with an exchange card, so that'll be nice for the collection to exchange. Let's get this thing a little bit of a turn. And let's get a good shot of the engines, because I'm big fan of the engines, guys. Okay, it's pretty cool. Obviously, it's not a 1 to 200 scale, so details are a little bit lower, but I say this definitely does get the job done. You also have 767-400 on the nose, so that's super cool. Great job, NG, great job. All right, guys, next up, we have a model that I've been wanting to get for a long time. I do have the Star Alliance NG models, 777-200 with the gray engines, but I know that they're still flying both of these today because I just saw a video of like literally both of these next to each other. So I'm like, okay, pretty realistic then. So anyways, guys, let's get started with this. Got the details here of the Gemini Jets aircraft here. Really good looking plane, guys. I'm really glad I finally own one of these. Let's get it open. All right, guys, we have the Star Alliance United 777-200ER. Absolutely amazing. Honestly, Gemini Jets does do an amazing job here with their models here. I just wish they would offer like a loyalty program with the cards. I think that would definitely add a lot if they had like a rewards program. All right, guys, here it is in all its glory. Star Alliance. Can't miss this thing anywhere, guys. Awesome engine detail here, even on 1 to 400 scale. Super cool, guys. Got your antennas on the top too. Some more details here. Absolutely amazing. All right, next up we have our next free exchange model from NG Models, guys. Super cool. Finally have the Clean Tech Flyer. I know there's like 2 of these A350s that kind of look alike. There's Lufthansa's white A350 Clean Tech Flyer. We innovate for cleaner aviation, as well as a what is it? A Condor Airlines actually has a white version too. Not an A350, but it is one of their airplanes. All right, guys, also got an exchange card with it. So woohoo, to another free airplane. You probably need about 3-4 exchange cards per plane, but it just depends what the rate is for the model that you're selecting. Look at that. It's just iconic, guys. It's just iconic. I forget what other airline has an A330-900neo or an A350 like this, but there's 2, like I said, out there. Wow. I'm pretty sure it's Condor. Make, change, fly. Super detailed here. Look at that, guys. You even have like the heat shield on the tail there, looks like. So much detail. This just works better if I hold it here, guys. Get the lighting right here. NG Models, guys. There we go. All right, guys, we finally have our last free exchange aircraft here. This here is the IHG Hainan Airlines 787-9. I've been wanting this aircraft for a very long time. I think I thought this was like a fantasy aircraft livery for a long time, but it actually is a real, it's a real plane flying out there with the livery on it. So super cool. Excited that I didn't have to purchase this. I actually got to use my points for it, so that's nice. Beautiful looking airplane. Let's get it open. All right, guys, we got it open out of the box here. The IHG Hainan Airlines. I got to do some research on where these fly in the U.S. So I can show them on the proper airports. But hold on, guys. Look at this. Is just incredible. Look at the detail on this. IHG Hotels and Resorts. This is probably one of the coolest planes I own, besides the Yam Dreaming. Correct me if I'm wrong. That the Qantas 787-9, in the beautiful red and orange colors. Top of the plane here. Again, my little turntable isn't working right now, guys. It's out of commission, so stay tuned. I think I'm gonna get a better one off Amazon, so that'll be nice. I know Hainan used to fly to LAX, I believe. Then they started flying to Tijuana. They pulled out of LAX. Hopefully, they fly to LAX again soon. I don't know if they fly to SFO or Seattle. I think they fly to Seattle. I could be wrong. If you guys know where Hainan Airlines flies, let me know. I know I can easily look it up myself too. So, but yeah, super cool airplane, guys. Really happy to have this in my collection. There's just so many details, guys. All right, everybody. Last up, we have the Air China 747-8. My last free exchange model from NG Models. JH Wings being the retailer that they were shipped to. This is an Ultimate Edition, guys, so that means the box is a lot nicer. I know you're still getting the same airplane, just the box is nicer, and you also do get like a little booklet in there too about it. So I don't know. I think, it is a tougher box that it's in. So, you pay an extra like maybe $5 and you get the extra strong box. I think that's worth it to me. So I'm gonna continue to get the Ultimates. If you guys want to see more about the box on the Ultimates, check this out. Pretty cool, isn't it? Got my card to redeem, and then here's your aircraft. I don't know if this one came with the booklet. The Lufthansa one did that I got. But, you know, these are definitely worth it, guys. Let's get this out of the box and take a look. All right, guys, check it out. Look at this. Super detailed NG Models Ultimate. Like I said, same airplane if it's not the Ultimate, but, you know, you're just getting overall better quality of the box and packaging. I don't know if the plane's different as far as like the quality goes, but I think it's just the box. Super detailed, guys. 10 out of 10 NG models here, guys. Really happy with this exchange here. So I got about 8 models for free, so that's nice. And also I think if you continue to, like, you know, let's say, you know, you put a good amount of money into collecting these airplanes through NG models, you get the cards, you redeem the planes. When you redeem the planes, they come with cards. You can use those cards to redeem more points. Thus, keep on getting planes coming. So, I think that's something I've discovered here. So that's super cool too. Still buying new NG models too, of course. You know, gotta help support them. They're absolutely amazing. So, and you can support them also by buying through the retailer, JH Wings, guys. Absolutely amazing. Super fast shipping. The models come packed so well. He actually puts extra packaging in there just to support, you know, models moving around the boxes and stuff. I'd like to thank you guys again for joining me today. Model Airport Nation here. Just absolutely amazing unboxing today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the models here. A lot going on, you know, with all the planes here. So stay tuned for more content coming real soon, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it again. And happy collecting. Thank you, NG Models. Check out JH Wings. Shout out to NG Models. Shout out to JH Wings. Amazing retailer. Check them out. Link in bio, guys. Also my Instagram. And also, yeah, look at Plane Apparel here, guys. Go check them out. Absolutely amazing, guys. LAX on the back here. Super cool. And I'd also like to wish you guys happy collecting here as well. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Also Instagram and TikTok at Model Airport Nation, guys. Thank you and have a great rest of your day. Also, here is a bonus shot of the United 777-200 and the Star Alliance livery loading up at San Francisco International Airport. Clipper Models jet bridge, layover layouts layout, Jutsup Models cones and figures, as well as tiny tugs, everything else. Super cool, guys. Links to all these amazing creators in the link below, guys.